Hello, welcome to another live trading session with Steady Income Trading. Today is Tuesday, June the 4th, and my voice is a little bit off, so apologies for that. But let's get to it. We are ready to put on another scheduled trade. As you can see right here, last premium collected Tuesday, next trade scheduled for Tuesday. So that's today. Assuming all of our metrics are in line, we'll just put on another trade. And here's how we check our metrics. So we start with this line right here. We check the VIX, and that's 1377. 1377. We quickly fill up the Greeks here, delta theta. So 118 and 64. 118 and 64. Our Vega is minus 745. And the buying power is right here. Let's refresh it just in case. 20.4 is 20.4. Obviously, we don't count the ETF that we have there for the what is it, SGOV, and then a notional divided by a net lick, that's right here, 11.67. That keeps us in line for our exposure and our leverage. Units at risk 3.3, that stays the same. And let's real quick take a look here. Privacy mode. So we are at 68,632. 68,632. 68,632. Okay, and yesterday we had SGOV go ex dividend, so we we lost quickly $160 or something like that, but we're gonna get that back in the next few days when the dividend is distributed. But anyhow, let's take a look here. So our delta 0.17, that's fine. Vega 1.09. We don't really manage this one. We just monitor it for now. We'll see if there is any there are any patterns emerge that we can need to keep an eye on. But we're mostly concerned with delta and the buying power, and both of those are in line. And then we also keep an eye on our units or at risk, and how much of our funds are available for each unit at risk. We are at over 20,000, so that seems fine. And that's about it. So let's go and see what we can do in the platform. And if so, market is down 0.42 at the moment, which is nice. The VIX hasn't picked up significantly, so it is what it is. We'll still put on a trade, and to do that we go to MES, we go to trade. All of this becomes pretty routine after a few that you put on. The UOT strategy is very straightforward, and it's very mechanical, and basically everything is in the spreadsheet. If you just follow the guidelines, you should be okay. So we can go 87 or 107, given that the VIX is still pretty low. I think we'll lean at 107 or 108. And let's see, 108, because we don't have any trades here, and we have quite a few here. So maybe we'll take a look at, well, let's just double check the delta that we're shooting for. With the VIX of 13 and change, we're looking for around 12 delta. So here we already have some trades. Let's just see if we can go to 108 and go to 12 delta. That would be right here. Okay, I think we can do that. If we go 3, that's what we've been doing lately. I think we can do that. We go 3, and yeah, let's just see if we can get that closed. We might have to lower our price here. We go replace. We go right here, boom, and okay, looks like we're chasing it. Let's go one more activity. Replace, boom. Okay, I think this one's gonna close. If you have time and inclination, you can chase it a little bit, try to get a quarter better price, but I'm not gonna do that. It would take the video would be just too long. So now that we got that, let's just use our calculator real quick to figure out the rest of it, even though it's pretty simple and almost every time is about the same. We'll still do this just so everybody gets, gets a hang of it. Let's look here. 3125 is what we got. So it's simple. 3125 times 3 and then times 5 for the multiplier. That's 468 is what we collected. Then times 0.2 gives us 93 and change. So this is the maximum we want to spend on our put debit spread, including commission if possible. So somewhere around 80, and we can go for 75 or 100 depending on what market can give us right now. So let's take a look. Remember these numbers, around $80 is what we want to spend, 80, 85, somewhere in that neighborhood. Let's go to 73, although we are pretty busy here. Let's just see if we can maybe go here. And let's go to around 30 roughly. If we go for 100, we're spending a little bit more than we want to, so we can either go here and spend this, or we can go a bit down and let's see if we, so we could do this. We could go for 100 wide, spend 90, so just a tad more, but get a little bit more in protection or grind down income, if you will. And I think we'll do this. We'll do this because we had a bunch of put debit spreads expire here or expiring, or actually they're expired. So we don't have as many as we used to have, even though we have quite a few. But I think we'll just, let me find it right here, 87. I think we'll just go for this for 90, see if we can get that done. And if not, we can just change it. If we're not gonna chase it too far. We don't have to. Okay, 18, it just closed. Okay, so let's go here and go to this this tab, and let's go ahead and record this trade. Number 73, MES, today's date, VIX at opening, 1383, 1383, Delta 12, strike, I think 48.50, but let's double check right here. 48.50, yeah, that's correct. And days at entry 109, I want to, no, 108, we'll double check later. And then we got 32.25 for 3 of them. No, is that correct? 31.25, I'm sorry. So 31.25, okay, and it was 108, yes. So we go a little bit to the right, we go MES, and we got 51.50, 51.50, 50.50, and 87 days, and we paid, I think, $18 even for one of them. Boom, that's recorded. We have a new trade on. We go right here to the main page. Let me just try and remove this because it's I don't know. Well, let's take a look here. So the trade is now, the premium is now transferred here. That gives us a few days of worth of premium, and our next trade is scheduled for Thursday the 6th, so 2 days from now. And now we're going to update these metrics so that we can see any changes as they happen if the, tomorrow or when the market changes. So VIX is the same, but our metrics probably have changed. Let me just take a look here. 133.71. Oops, 133.71. Then buying power usage. Oops, sorry, wrong button. We're gonna have to go here, refresh, 22.2, 22.2. Our Vega is gonna be slightly higher, so 827. It's minus 827, and our notional exposure, it's 12.63 now, and units at risk 3.6. This all stays the same, so that's what it is for now. market is still around 0.4 down. If you like the video or if you find it useful, I would appreciate if you like it. And if you didn't subscribe yet, please do that. It helps the channel reach more audience, and that would be nice. So I would appreciate that. Otherwise, have a fantastic rest of the day, and I'll see you Thursday or in the Discord. Have a good one. Bye.